Hey traders, this is CHoCH 247. Today we're looking at the US dollar Japanese yen. This pair is very strong. From You can see how the price actually has been trading nicely to the upside. We had a pullback here, which is a structure. We had another structure, and we had another structure. This last structure has made 0 A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, and that tells us that the trend is strong and is continuing higher. Look at this. We can see the 2 daily high, 3 daily high, 4 daily high are all below the price, and the only key price point here is the one we're currently trading at, which is the 1 daily high. So let's go down to the 15 minutes chart, and that is it. That is the picture right in front of us. We can say this is a range, okay, this area here. But what I saw before I took this trade this morning was the 5 minutes chart. So we're currently buying, and the 5 minutes chart, let's do something quickly. This here yesterday was a pullback, and this pullback gave us a lower high, and this lower high gave us a higher low, and we have another lower high. So instead of this lower high to make a lower low, it made a higher low. That is the first clue. Then price broke above it to make a higher high, and that is the confirmation you need in an uptrend. We can say this is a change of character to the upside. Let me remove this. Okay, and say that is a bullish change of character. Okay, to the upside. So price stopped there, and we had another pullback. Okay, so higher low, higher high. So what you do, or what I did, I measured this low of the higher low to the higher high that gave us this change of character, and look at where the price came into. The price came into the buy zone, which I've been talking about. Okay, and we took the trade, and we are currently sitting at the T1. This is the T2. So if the price did not pause around this T1 and rallied all the way to T2 and stopped, if it stopped here, then we will observe what the price is doing. It normally takes 2 or 3 candles. If they stop straight away on the T2, which is the minus 61.8% of this low to high, there's a possibility of a strong reversal from this level. Okay, so that's basically, look at that. So that's basically the idea. Okay, so here's the trade. Let's go to the 15 minutes chart, and you can see what I saw. So that's the low structure. You can see we are trading right on the T2 now, there, and this is the end of the wave structure. We don't want to rush it. That's the target we set. Let's look at this on the 5 minutes chart. I'm going to enable the Murray mat. We have the 3 of 8, and that is the 4 of 8. This is quite strong. Go back here. Above the 1 daily high. Be very careful selling this. Every sell here is an opportunity to buy. Okay, And for me, when I count this wave, this is 1, 2, 3. We have, let's use the extension as well, from this low to this high and to this low. And look at that, there's a confluence here. There's a confluence here. We have a confluence at the extension 1, 161.8. We have a confluence at the T2, which is a reversal price point. We could say price has actually traded this one now, because it's come beyond the 50% of the 23.6 and this one. But that doesn't mean anything right now. What we want to see is, I think I showed this yesterday, you put yourself in the shoes of those who are making money, and those are the people that are buying this thing. And if price starts to come below the volume bar, so this is a volume bar, this is a volume bar, and if price starts to come below this candle here, then you can say close the buy, the T2 has been traded, then maybe we can take the short for a strong reversal in the price. That's basically a simple idea this morning. This is a short-term trading, and otherwise if price continues, you just have to, so right now we can trail the stop to the low of this candle. Okay, so we've locked in from there to this point, and we just use the volume bars as the reference. Okay, this is the only range that we trail the stop on. We don't trail the stop on any other wave other than the 4 to 5 waves, because that's the end of the wave structure. If you look at this, that is the 2. Actually, this is 1, 2. So this trend is going to continue higher. Sorry, this is the 2 to 3. Okay, so because London session hasn't opened yet, we may have a little bit of volatility during the London session. So I'll leave it as it is, just to lock that in. For now, let's quickly look at another pair, the pound dollar, which is the one we took yesterday. It didn't work out the way I was expecting. Let's quickly check that as well. Gave us the initial move after breaking the low, but the price did not move further than the daily market side before they started selling. I had to close the trade. That was about 10 pips loss on that trade. I had to close the trade, and it went sideways during the Tokyo session, and they broke down again. And as you can see, this right now, you probably need to see the price break this high, then reverse and stopped to make a lower low, then maybe that buy can come in again. But right now, let's focus on the strength, which is in the dollar yen, and that one is just, every small impulse in this one is going to be very strong, because this market is very strong. You can see all the key highs of the last 4 days are below the current price. Okay, so the price action needs to be watched around the daily one daily high. So that's basically the only thing I'm looking at this morning. The week is still very young. Today's Tuesday, so the price are still finding their feet, and we're probably going to have a better picture of what is going to be happening in the next 2 days, today by the New York session opening. So trade safe, guys. My name is CHoCH 247, and catch you in the next video.